groups that participated in the rally are Akbayan, Magdalo, Tinig Pilipinas, and the family of victims in the Duterte administration's bloody drug war. Most of them wore white shirts and carried placards and banners calling to oust the Vice President. Akbayan Party List Representative Percival Sandanya urged her colleagues at the House of Representatives to prioritize the nation's interests over political calculations. He reminded them that holding Duterte accountable over alleged misuse of confidential funds is a moral obligation. The Vice President previously denied misusing public funds. This morning's program featured a mass officiated by Father Bong Sarabia and Father Joel Samalia, followed by statements from impeachment complainants, sectoral leaders, and cultural presentations. Over 400 policemen were deployed to ensure peace and order during the rally. QCPD Station 8 Commander, Police Lieutenant Colonel Angelito De Juan said the rally was generally peaceful and no untoward incident was reported. Shortly before 12 noon, light rains prompted some rallyists to leave before the program ended. 2 weeks ago, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. said that now is not the time to go through the impeachment process, and some congressmen from the House majority also previously acknowledged that the impeachment proceedings may face time constraints. Last Wednesday, House Assistant Majority Leader and Lanao del Sur 1st District Representative Zia Alonto Adyong said it will be a challenge to get an impeachment conviction against Vice President Duterte in the Senate as the campaign season for the May polls nears. Congressmen meanwhile gave assurances that once the existing impeachment complaints are initiated and referred to the House Committee on Justice, they will not shy away from their constitutional duty to tackle.
Impeachment complaint, bago araw sana, ipadala na